Eastern Black-Crested Gibbon is a medium-sized ape with a lightweight build. Classified as an extremely rare primate, its fur exhibits striking sexual dimorphism. Adult males are entirely black, while females are yellow-gray or light brown, showcasing a charming and adorable appearance. One of its distinctive features is its proportionately short legs and long arms. Its forelimbs are significantly longer than its hind limbs, with an arm span exceeding 1 meter. This allows it to navigate through the forest primarily by brachiation and climbing. Its diet consists mainly of fruits and tender leaves. In the 1950s, however, in 2006, after nearly half a century of absence, this ape was miraculously rediscovered in the pristine forests along the China-Vietnam border today. Its population is critically low, with only about 140 individuals remaining, making it a critically endangered species.